Hello everybody, my name is Jessica, and for this presentation I am going to be talking a little bit about plants versus animal cells, the similarities and the differences. So getting started with the plant cell structure, plants and animal cells both have eukaryotic cells. They contain a nucleus, they contain organelles, the mitochondria, which makes the ATP, which is the main energy source, Golgi apparatus that kind of helps with transportation, just like the vacuoles, ribosomes, and endoplasmic reticulum. So those are big words. So if you look at the diagram of the plant cell, you can kind of see the general idea of what the cell looks like with all of those organelles in it. Now, if you can see the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, everything that I talked about on the previous screen. If we go to the animal structure, it looks kind of the same. The eukaryotic cell, plasma membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, and so on. The diagram of an animal cell kind of looks a little bit like this. It's a little bit more basic. It has the lysosomes, the vacuoles, Golgi, you can see the endoplasmic reticulum, you can see the nucleus, and the cell membrane. Now, the similarities, there's actually quite a bit, being that they're both eukaryotic cells. They both have a nucleus, they both have DNA, they both have everything that I mentioned before on the previous screens, the cell membrane, the Golgi apparatus, and so on. So, if there's so many similarities, what are the differences? What is, you would think that with that much similarities, these cells would be almost identical, but they're actually not. They're actually pretty different. So if we start with the plants, plants have chloroplast and large vacuoles. Chloroplasts are organelles known as a plastid, and it helps with photosynthesis. And photosynthesis is pretty much breaking down energy, or breaking down the sun in light in the form of energy. And the large vacuoles are more for structural support and like waste, storage, disposal, and protection. Plants have a cell wall and a cell membrane. The cell wall regulates what can pass through and also provides protection from the outside sources. Animals. Starting with animals. Animals actually have small or no vacuoles. They have centrioles, centrosomes, and flagella. The centrioles and centrosomes are actually located near the nucleus and is important for cell division. The flagella are thin-like hair structures that actually aid in the movement of the cell. And then if you look at this screen, you see 3 different types of animals, you see 3 different types of plants, and it's crazy to think that the basic cell structure is almost identical with just these few key differences that make up the organism. And that is my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a little bit. Thank you.